going to do an AC recharge on the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to use the low pressure right there. It even says L on the cap. That's the one. And you can double check which one your car has by just opening the hood. It says R134A, R134A. The hose I ended up getting with another kit that was $50, which came with like probably like 20 ounces of for my Tahoe. So I kept it, and it ends up being the same refrigerator or AC recharge. So all right, to get started, you need to turn your car on, put the AC on at the lowest setting, at the coldest setting, and strongest setting. So get started with that. But just to have it ready, I'm gonna just screw this in. You're gonna shake it too right before you start. All right, now I'm gonna turn the car on and get it going. See this. So now, open, and this usually goes like this. So it says filled, but it's cold, but it's not the best, so I'm gonna just refill it. This gauge might not be most accurate, but I feel like it's almost empty. Alright, yeah, it's empty. That's why it went low, it was already empty. So I guess I wouldn't rely too much on this one, because even on the Tahoe, this is the cheap one that it comes with the other kit. So I mean, as long as you feel the difference in there, I think that's all that matters. But I mean, it works. Got it empty, so now I gotta return this AutoZone and get a $10 for refund. My AC was already it was okay. It would just be a bit warm when I would get started, but right now that I refilled that little bit, because it was cold, as long as I started driving like in the beginning of the day, it will be slightly warm, probably the first like minute or two, and then once I started going, it started slowly getting cold, so I'm pretty sure it was just running low. And then right now that I filled it, it's like way colder. It's almost, I want to say it's almost as cold as it was when I first got the car. So yeah, actually it is, because it's like ice cold now. So yeah, man, that little bit of a difference. Sometimes your car could be okay, but you know, it's the start of summer. Earlier today it was like 98, 95 here in Los Angeles, and now it's like super ice cold. So now I'm gonna go to AutoZone and return those two cans to get my core deposit back. I've never ever done this myself, but all in all, I already had the hose from the recharge from my Tahoe. I only bought the actual the AC recharge, whatever the fluid it is, and I paid, it was $16.99 each at AutoZone, since I already had the hose. So it was super cheap, and that's all I needed, because my car was already, it was okay, it wasn't bad. But I mean, if you just need that, that's great. Or you could just get the kit, which I did get for the Tahoe. That kit was about $50, and it was about 20 ounces with the actual hose that shows you the pressure and if it's filled or not. And honestly, it worked. It's a cheap hose, but it works. I mean, like I said, it might not be as accurate, but it worked on the Tahoe. I think the Tahoe needs one more can of those, to be honest, because I already put the whole 20 ounce and another, I guess, 10 ounce or 12 ounce, and I think it needs one more, and then it should be ice cold. It's cold now, but you know, this one's perfect. So anyways, if it was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.